biggest thing that has been done so far, together with UNDP, is the construction of these solar panels. 210 panels, 63 kilowatt nominal power, 45 effective power more or less at this moment, generating about 240 kilowatts per day. So this is a very important first step towards a carbon neutral UN building.
The UN's journey towards climate neutrality began on 5 June 2007, when our former Secretary General Ban Ki-moon publicly called on all UN agencies, funds and programs to go green and become climate neutral. Up till now, we've been producing, here we go, 1.13 tons of carbon dioxide per day and 413 tons per year. With this new solar system, we will reduce our CO2 emissions by 192 kilos per day or 70 tons per year.
Besides economic consideration, the need to responsibilize each and every one of us to protect the planet is really a very important objective, and as David said so rightly, we cannot ask others to do it. Health posts to use solar panels, schools do, and then we don't even do it at home. So we have to be the role models, and we have to show the way forward and how it's possible.